Yogi Clan, what's up, y'all? Yes, you read the title of this video right. In 19 days, I will have 4 more kids in my house.
What's up with that?
We'll talk about it here in a minute. I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. My name is Yogi. This is Yogi Cycle Service. Here we do motorcycle related stuff. We service, repairs, maintenance, fix things, and try to show you how to do it and save a few bucks. Sometimes we talk about club stuff, just anything motorcycle related, or maybe it's Yogi related, kind of like this video here. Yogi related. So if you like what you see, I ask you to surf around, check out my channel, see if there's anything else you like. If you do, hey, give a brother some love. Hit that subscribe button, and I appreciate it very much. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for coming back and watching this video. So you kind of already know what's going on if you're a subscriber and kind of what's up. So the plane tickets are bought. The 4 kids out of the 5. It's a sibling set of 5. And we're going to be hosting 4 of that sibling set of 5. Yeah, 4 more kids from Eastern Europe. They're flying over December 18th. 18 days in December, plus today's the 30th of November. That means they'll be at my house in 19 days, which I am really uber excited about that. Christmas is going to be wide open at our house, because you figure you got those 4 kids, plus my 4 kids that are currently at home, plus 3 who will be coming back from college, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus whoever decides to come home for Christmas and visit. Because, I mean, we already have 15 kids, so you add these 4, that puts us at 19 kids. No, I'm not still counting. Oh, did you get that reference? In our fundraising efforts, because it is not cheap to host these kids, it's $2,800 a child times 4, $11,200. We have raised a little over half. We're about $6,500, so we're still $4,700 shy. I really give kudos to everybody and thank you very much to everybody who has stepped up to help get us closer to that goal. Open Hearts and Homes is the organization that we are hosting with. If you want to donate to help me get these kids here, they have a link, which is a managed missions account, which allows you to make donations tax deductible that will get routed to Open Hearts and Homes. I don't get any of the money. I don't derive any of the benefit of it. But we are still about $4,700 shy of reaching our goal. So any help that the Yogi Clan, any help that YouTube can give me, you guys, in reaching that goal, man, I would love it. Speaking of YouTube, the other odd thing I've noticed is
My channel was doing awesome.
until I started talking about hosting orphans. Once I started talking about, hey, we're going to host orphans, suddenly my numbers have gone and tanked. Maybe that's because the Yogi Clan doesn't like me talking about it, but I don't think that's the case. I think it's YouTube doesn't like me talking about hosting orphans, and my metrics have gone way down. But that's okay. I really don't care. I will put the content out there that lets y'all know what's going on in my life, keep you all informed of what our family's up to and what's going on, and if I can bring more awareness to hosting, then that's what I'm going to do. So I appreciate everybody who has stepped up. We are getting close. So I will put the link to Managed Missions in the comments, in the description below, and I will also pin it in the comments. Another great thing that's happened, so my daughter works for Amazon. She's one of the managers at a local Amazon facility, and apparently Amazon gave their managers or their employees, I'm not for sure which, Samsonite luggage. All I know is my daughter messaged me and said, hey, Dad, how would you like 22 suitcases for the host kids coming? I'm like, what? She's like, yeah, Amazon's giving away suitcases. I got 22 of them for the 22 kids who are coming to Charlotte for hosting. So my wife and I drove my pickup over there. She drove the minivan over to the Amazon warehouse, and we got 22 suitcases in our garage. We'll be giving them out to some families, but man, what a blessing. Some of these suitcases come in, it's like a triple set. The outside is a hard suitcase, and then there are 2 smaller suitcases on the inside. These kids can't go back to Eastern Europe with 3 suitcases. So we're going to take the 2 inner suitcases out. Since we're currently working at getting our foster care license, we're going to call our foster care licensing agent and say, hey, 20 extra suitcases that I can pull out of there and put into the foster care system. That way some of the kids in the foster care can have suitcases also. Kind of like the gift that keeps on giving, right? But that's pretty epic, though. That's pretty awesome. Thank you, Amazon, for stepping up and donating those suitcases to these kids. I'm sorry, it's not even 8 o'clock in the morning. Sun is low. I'm heading west, so it rises in the east. A lot of us probably think of Amazon as this big corporate giant that doesn't do anything to help the community. There's an example of one way that they did help the community, and I think that's pretty awesome. So yes, I'm really excited to have 4 more kids, 4 more little crumb munchers into the house, none of which will speak English or know a drop of English. Well, they may know a couple words, but probably not all that much. So I'm hoping that Stella gets home from college before they get home from Eastern Europe. And I need Stella to be hooking me up on some translation services. I know a little bit of Russian, but nowhere near enough. And I do know charades pretty well. The language barrier usually is not an issue. You can usually figure out what each other's trying to say. It's just you got to understand charades and a few basic words. And we can use Google Translate. And if you keep it simple on Google Translate will work. My wife has already gone Christmas shopping and bought many of the things for all of our kids. Or has a bunch of stuff lined up for the host kids. No, she did not go on Black Friday. She actually did most of her shopping between Halloween and Thanksgiving. Mama has started up her own little company. That's what she used for Christmas this year. Kind of cool. Started up a charcuterie board company. If you have no idea what that means, don't worry, I didn't either. But if you go to Instagram, look up Row & Co. and you'll find her Instagram page. So we're also taking some of that income that she's making and putting it to cost of hosting also. All right, Yogi Clan, that's more or less all I had. Just wanted to update you. Just really looking forward to these kids coming on December 18th. I thank you for joining me today on this video. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you have great holidays, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.